The chefs are back. They've got their hot and cold cubes to adjust the temperature of their perfect magic soup. They've been adding one hot cube to make the soup warmer, or one cold cube to make the soup colder. You probably remember they also remove cubes to change the temperature of the soup. If you remove a hot cube, the soup will get colder. If you remove a cold cube, the soup will get warmer. Fall is busy season for the chefs. Orders for their soup are just through the roof. They're so busy and they're working long hours that they can't take it anymore. They decided they need to be able to make the soup more quickly. They agreed that they could add handfuls of cubes or remove handfuls of cubes to change the temperature of the soup more quickly. They've agreed that they'll add handfuls at a time and always put the same number of cubes in each handful so they don't lose track of how much they've put in. For instance, in this recipe, one chef adds 6 handfuls of 4 hot cubes. In every handful, he puts in 4 hot cubes. What will the overall temperature change of the soup be? We can model this with the number sentence 6 times 4. It's positive 6 because we're adding handfuls. It's positive 4 because our cubes are hot cubes. Overall, the temperature gets 24 degrees warmer. In this recipe, the chef adds 3 handfuls of 10 cold cubes. What will happen to the soup this time? We can model this with the number sentence 3 times negative 10. It's positive 3 because we're adding 3 handfuls. But it's negative 10 because we're adding in cold cubes. We will always put our handfuls first and then our cubes. Overall, the temperature change when we add 3 handfuls of 10 cubes is 30 degrees colder, so negative 30. Remember, the chefs can remove cubes too. What would happen if the chef removed 3 handfuls of 7 hot cubes? We can model this situation by negative 3 times 7. This time we're removing handfuls, so the 3 is negative. We've got 7 hot cubes in each handful, so we'll multiply by positive 7. Overall, our soup got 21 degrees colder. And finally, we can remove cold cubes as well. What will the temperature change be of the soup? Will it get warmer or colder? We can model this with negative 2 times negative 5. We remove 2 handfuls, so we're multiplying negative 2 by negative 5 because it's 5 cold cubes. When we remove cold cubes, our soup gets warmer. So negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. What's the number sentence if the chef adds 2 handfuls of 6 cold cubes? What's the number sentence telling the chefs to do?